After you create foreign currency customers, foreign currency suppliers, and foreign currency bank account, you can create transactions. First, we will create customer transactions. We will create estimate. Click create estimate. You can select the customer. After you select the customer, if it is a foreign currency customer, you can view the exchange rate, and all the amounts will display in that currency. And all your prices will convert to foreign currency. In addition to that, you can view foreign currency total and local currency total. Next, we will create a supplier transaction. Go to expenses. We will enter purchase order. I'll duplicate this tab, and first we will create local currency supplier, and this is local currency, and we will create a foreign currency purchase order. Right. When you select the foreign currency supplier, you can see that exchange rate, and all the amounts will display in foreign currency or in supplier's currency. You can view the foreign currency total and home currency total. Next, we will enter bank transaction. Here also I will duplicate the tab. We will enter payment. Here we will select foreign currency supplier. Then here also you can view that exchange rate, and all the amounts will display in foreign currency. Here you can select item, then it will display in foreign currency, and you can view the foreign currency, and you can view the local currency total. Like that, you can create foreign currency transactions. And if you select the currency code, you can, now for an example, if it is a AED customer, you cannot select Malaysian currency or Malaysian ringgit account. So it should be either local currency or that customers or suppliers currency.